So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. It is. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So, in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, we got a 2-for-1. That's right. My IPSY Glam bag came today for October. And since I was running my butt crazy in September, we do have September's bag as well. So if you want to see what each of these bags holds, please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, this whole thing, yeah. I swear, every single time I sit down, hubby's job knows, I swear they have a microphone or a camera in here somewhere when they see me doing my makeup. They place that call. I was in the middle, getting ready. I 5 minutes in, doing my little intro, trying to get my thumbnail straight. Called me. I need a ride, babe. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I hopped in the car. He's like, no, it's not all the way there, just over to where his ride is. And I'm like, okay. So I hurried up and did that, and now mind you, he just got off work like 5 hours before he called me, so it's crazy. Anyway, so we are here, and I do have this on, and I didn't even have time because then I would have to like fix my makeup and everything. Didn't have time for all that. This is real life over here, like I always try to say. And we are going to go ahead and dive into these two bags. Now, before I do that, I would like to welcome the newcomers, let you know that my name is Stephanie. I am considered the host around here, I guess. And all that means is I'm the one who goes over this stuff, sometimes puts it on my face. This is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, both inside and out, for the mind, the body, and the soul. And I say that because if I can touch your soul by making you laugh or just putting you in a better mood once my video is over, then oh my gosh, that is what I'm here for. We do everything. If you think that you can get into unboxings, try-ons, tutorials, mystery boxes, tons of giveaways, and like I said, super amount of subscription boxes, then please hit that button down there, because I don't like that S word, and become part of the family, because this is a family and I treat it as such. All right, remember to please rate the video thumbs up. That always does help me out, guys. And for those of you that are doing that, I want to say thank you so much. It really does, mean a lot to me to see the thumbs up on my videos. I try really hard, to do content that is going to make you smile or just bring a smile to your face or even make you laugh out loud, because I have no problems laughing at myself, that's for sure. I just like to have fun. It's what this is all about. Please shade your bell in. That is because I do giveaways a lot and you want to be aware, because I'm not always announcing a thumbnail. And not only that, I pick the winners, insert the winners' names to the said giveaways in a random video. Just saying. So you want to be aware when that video is going up, okay? So we do have, I do not know which one is for which. I just mixed them up. That was really brilliant stuff. Anyway, yeah, I have no idea. None. All right, so we do have September and October. Which one is which? We don't know. This is September, so we're going to go ahead and go over that first. Now, if you don't know about IPSY, they just raised their prices, so I was told, and I believe it did come off $28 for the Glam Bag Plus. They do have a larger subscription. I believe it's $50 or $55. Don't quote me. Everything will be linked down below. And that one is quarterly, every 3 months. And then we have the Glam Bag, which is this one. Now it is $13 if I'm not mistaken. There is tax, but shipping is free on all 3 of the subscriptions. Okay. In the smaller subscription, right here we have in our hands, you will get 5, count them 5 products, either sample, deluxe sample, or full size. Sometimes. It's a mix and match of all, okay? So, you do have a little card, and on this card would be the theme. This is back to work, school, and life. Right there, guys. I didn't paint my nails. I apologize, I didn't have time. So here we go. All right, so there you have that. That is the theme. On the little bag, they do give you the prices of the full size. This was outside of the bag, okay? This is the Papa Recipe Bombay Pour Ampule Honey and Bombay Pepta Ampule Honey Mask Duo. Anything to do with honey, guys, I am all for it. Just saying. Okay, so there's that. And the full, this is a full size, and it is $3.50 per mask, equal This will total $7. That is the first product right here. I will set it here, and then we're just going to jump it out. Now, you do get to pick one with the smaller subscription. With the middle subscription, you get to pick 3, and I don't remember. I think 4 with the big one. We do have the Purely's Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30. Now, if you know me, I'm all that. This is why I have the hat on, guys, to protect myself from the sun. Here you have this, okay? And I'm sorry, my nails really are janky this time, guys. Here, I'm just gonna hold it like that. We won't have to look at the nails. There you go. And it just says this multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. A few drops gives your skin dewy, natural-looking coverage and protects from pollution. UV damage. The tiny light-reflecting pigments makes your skin look soft and luminous. Okay. It just says deluxe sample. MSRP of the full version is $35. This, however, is not. So, moving right along, we do have. Is this it? Sugar Rush. Yep, right here. Tarte Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. Volumizing Hemp Mascara. I am all down for trying new mascara, guys. But here you have this little jammy right here. This is, like I said, a deluxe sample. And the full size is $23. That, however, is not. And then we do have the Milk. Oh, okay, I remember this. Milk. This is a fragrance. I don't know why they're sending me fragrance. This says, in the market for a new fragrance, this intoxicating gourmand scent will have you hooked at first sniff. So the full-size version, which is 100 mils, big bottle. Yeah, $110. Okay, so this, let's smell this. We have stink bugs now. Okay, it's not lanternflies, it's stink bugs. Although I've never smelled a stink bug. I killed one with my phone today when I was driving. I was at a red light, I looked over, and there was one on my inside of my window. I was like, ah! And my phone was the first thing, and I smashed it. I was like, why did I do that? Then I took out the alcohol, and I had to pull over, and it was just a nightmare. Oh, my gosh. Anyway. Okay. To me, it kind of smells like, I don't know. It's got a little bit of what I call, like, Chinese, spicy, sexy, and a little bit of freshness. What are the notes? Let's see. So we have notes of musk. Okay, so that's what I'm smelling. Milk. Marshmallow. Is it marshmallow root or marshmallow? Oh wait, I think I can smell the marshmallow. Okay, this is very strange and very kind of nice. Mahogany give off a warm, cozy vibes, and that's exactly what it is. It's a very warm scent. I, for the life of me, don't remember which one I picked. So it said I picked the BB cream. So the rest they picked for me. Now this right here, this is Less Beauty. This is Clean Beauty, which I do like Clean Beauty, and I have that marked on my profile. It says City Chic Palette. There's the packaging right there. Okay. Yeah, LES is Lower East Side. City Chic Palette. Oh, it's cute. It's a little quad. It's a little quad. This may very well end up in someone's giveaway. It's a very neutral palette. There's no mirror, so I can just hold it up. There you go. So, I mean, that's cute. This one here is the shimmer, and the rest are mattes. That is a very pretty brown, I must say. It's very deep. It's very warm. Yeah, nice. What happened to my bag? It's not, it's crooked. Look, it's crooked. Okay, so let's try and fix it, shall we? It's just a bag, you know, open up, it's got yellow, it's got the IPSY imprint. I mean, I like the style, but I'm not a fan of plaid, so, for this. Like, I don't see me holding this under my arm going out, you know, with a dress or something. But if it were a different color, I would definitely like it. I mean, but I have probably every single bag that I've ever gotten from them. Just saying. Okay, so to recap, we have the palette. The quad palette from LES Beauty, Lower East Side. This is, yeah, from Commodity Milk. It is, or no, wait, who's it from? Yeah, it's okay. It says Scent Space Expressive for me and the many around me. What is the name of it? It just says Commodity Milk Fragrance. I don't know. Maybe y'all can tell me in the comment section. Then we have the Purely's BB Cream, which is illuminating BB cream, which I do like illumination. Your girl looks, you know, she's always dry. And then we have the Sugar Rush mascara, and we do have the 2 masks, which I am happy about the honey mask. I will definitely give them a go. So guys, what do you think about Wake Up and Win It With Me Wednesday? I know it's a long title, but that's all I have to say in it, you know. Where I get up, I do a little skincare, and then we have a giveaway every week or every other week, something like that, on a Wednesday. Let me know down below. I mean, it's not going to be a ginormous giveaway because they're going to be, you know, back to back, and I will be doing a lot of them. So, you know, just a couple items or whatever. Let me know how you think that sounds. I want to get some kind of routine going here on the channel. I don't want to be just like flying by the seat of my pants. It would make my life easier, and I'm sure your guys, because if you know it's on a Wednesday at, let's say, 9 a.m. or 7 a.m. or 7:30 p.m., however you want to look, you know, whenever decide, I'll probably put that to a poll for you guys. But let me know if you guys are willing. Oh, guys, I do have on my eyes from the mystery box, the Lurella mystery box. This is the Golden State California palette, and I do have it on. Now, this makeup has been on forever. Not kidding. So, I am going to do 3 looks, 1 palette with this palette. When I upload that video, I am going to do a giveaway with the other palette, the nude palette. Now, without saying too much, that must tell you something, okay? Just saying. That mystery box killed my arm, guys, for sure. All right, so let's jump into October's bag, shall we? Alrighty. Now, there was one thing outside the bag, and the theme for this one, for this month, is October 2021, Pretty Wicked. Pretty cool. I like them lips. Vampire lips and teeth. There you go. So on the outside of the bag was this, and it's out of the sheath. So let me just stick that back in there. Oh, I can see a couple little hairs sticking out, but I don't know if they're like going to come out or not. I don't want to touch it. Okay, so there we have that. It is to me, that's a shader brush or a concealer brush. You could very well do a cut crease with this, you know, but for me, I have little eyes. That's kind of big for me to do that with, but you know, if I'm doing a full cut crease, I could definitely use this, or I may pass it along in a giveaway. You never know. I have a ton of brushes, guys. Like, anyway. Oh, another thing, comment down below. Would y'all like to see me unbox one of the 1K giveaway boxes? Just to see, get a random idea of what's in there. Aside from the palette, I mean. Because I won't know what palette goes in there. But each box will have relatively, not the same brand, but the same kind of items. Let me know down below if you want me to do a video on that. I will set the box here, and I will pull out everything that is in it, and you will know that there are 3 boxes like that made up, including that one. So 2 more aside from that one. Let me know if that's something you want to see, or do y'all want to just wing it? It's up to you. All right, so that is the first product. Now, okay, guys, the random comment picker has spoken, and this is the winner to the minis giveaway that I had during my freebie haul video. She has 48 hours to get a hold of me. Congratulations. And remember, there are 2 big active giveaways going on. So if you have not entered, please enter those, and I will say good luck to you. Again, congratulations to the winner. 48 hours to get a hold of me. And now back to the video. This I'm pulling out here is Plumpkin. Okay, that's kind of cool. Retinol eye cream. That's cool. I like Tony Moly. This is Tony Moly. I like Tony Moly. There you go. That's what it looks like there. Got a little pumpkin on it. Plumpkin retinol eye cream. Lightweight yet super potent. This eye cream uses retinol, the gold standard of anti-aging ingredients, and pumpkin extract. It's high vitamins and antioxidants to help plump, smooth, and firm your eye area. The MSRP of the full size is $25, which is not bad for retinol. And that would be 30 mils. So I don't know how much this one is, but it is a deluxe sample, so it's not a full size. There you go there, okay. Ooh, this one sounds nice. What's this? Oh, it says Chasing Rabbits Mindful Bubble Cleanse. Chasing Rabbits is the name of the brand. Okay, I'm all right. And then on the back it does say clean beauty, cruelty-free, eco packaging, and body and something balance. I don't know. I can't read it. Maybe it says it here. Oh, balance your skin while you wash away makeup. So there you have that. There, that's what it looks like. And it's a decent size. Almost a full ounce. It's 0.84 fluid ounces. So that's like 0.84. So it's almost a whole ounce. And it just says, you know that tight, dry feeling when your skin can get post-wash? Don't I ever? This gentle cleanser leaves your face feeling the opposite. Okay, well, I'm all down for that. It's made with mineral and nutrient-rich bamboo water to moisturize and help balance your skin while you wash away makeup, build up an excess oil. So I'm liking that. And the retail price, 200 mils, which is big, is $23. Okay, and I did not pick that. Now, what is this? This is eye primer. What? Who is this? Oh, M2, what? M2U NYC eye primer in nude. I'm liking that because it's a little bit lighter. Well, yeah, it is. It's a little more pinker. It looks yellow, but it's not. It's a little more pink, if that's the shade, I'm hoping. So this says the perfect canvas for your eyeshadow. The 2-in-1 formula grips whatever you layer on top for flawless all-day wear, and it enhances the vibrancy of the pigments in your shadow, whether they're cream or powder, so they look bolder and brighter too. Okay, so that's cool. And then this is a full size, and it's $8, so that's not a bad price. I'm always down to try a new one, so they're, you know, that's cool. But I'll tell you, this is what, $24, and look at it. I mean, yes, there's a lot in there, but holy moly. And then the last product is this, and I did pick this. This is Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Now, I do have, this looks like this is in the blue. You see how it's like a purpley color? I have one that's in green. I think that is the water gel cream, but this is different. This is the Dewy Skin Cream, so I am looking forward to trying this, absolutely. Okay, so what does it say about this? It says, you picked this, I sure did. True to its name, the luxurious cream majorly ups your skin dew factor, okay? It's ideal for dry, dull skin that is in need of the big moisture boost. It uses ceramides to help reinforce your skin's barrier, algae extract to help draw in moisture. Oh, I may not be able to use it. And Japanese purple rice, yeah, I may not, to give your skin a major glow. This is a deluxe sample. MSRP for the full size is $68. This is how many? This is 10 mils. So a tenth of that I think this is like worth $6.80, something along that nature. Okay, there's the fifth product, and we do have the bag. Now, the bag, definitely Halloween themed. I think it's cute. It is black on the inside. I do like the lime green. I like highlighter colors always. I have so many of these kinds of shirts, guys. Listen, I was in Walmart the other day, and I saw all of them. I was like, I want them all. They were having a sale. I didn't even see them. They were like tank tops. And you know me, guys, I always dress just like, okay, the camera's pointed up, but normally I have my little tank top on with my hoodie. You all know that's how I started on YouTube, and it's getting back to winter now. Yeah, and I always have my AC blasted, and it's freezing in here, so this is how I dress. My little avatar that I'm going to put a post up over on my community tab looking for anyone who can do some graphic work for me. I need an intro done with my little avatar, which not Jess B, nobody but her. Okay, long story about that. I'm looking for somebody else that can do it, and I'm going to put a community tab. So if anybody wants to recommend somebody, I highly welcome it, except for Jess B. Okay, went down that road, that did not work out at all, so just saying. All right, now we will recap very quickly. We have the Tony Moly, which I do like, Plumpkin, okay, retinol eye cream. We do have the Dewy Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream from Tatcha, which I am looking forward. The algae and the rice may make me break out, but we'll see. I do like the eye primer. That's definitely good. And I'm liking the cleanser. Let's just say I can use everything in this bag, and I do like everything in this bag. So that is not all the time the case. A lot of times I can't use something. I may like it, but I just can't use it. Sorry. And then we do have the one from September. So comment down below, which bag would you have preferred? Did you get any of these products? Do you like these products? Which ones have you tried? Do you want to try? You know, give me all the details down below. I would love to hear, because I do read each and every comment, guys. And I will say, congratulations to the winner. I would have put that in here somewhere. You have 48 hours to contact me, as I'm sure I said already. And until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are going through something, please share about it. Keeping it held in, it just gives it that much more power. And if you don't know what's bothering you, you know, the best thing to do is to talk about it. You very well may figure it out, okay? And if you don't have anybody to talk to, I say it all the time, guys, hit me up. I will absolutely make time for you. I have time for you, okay? And if you are asked to listen to somebody, if somebody says, hey, I need to talk, do you have a minute? Please say yes. And in this crazy mixed up world, and oh boy, is it oh so crazy, to all my people out there, all my friends, all my family, all over the globe, please guys, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.